Alright guys, so before we get into the video, I am going to be reviewing a few products that I received from Emergent Supply. The links and everything will be down below. As you guys can see, I did receive the KN95 mask, and this is what it looks like. I know these can be hard to find, and some places are selling them really expensive. Okay, so click down below for fast shipping and affordable pricing. I also got these goggles and these alcohol wipes, which are great for the car and also when you're going grocery shopping. Hey guys, in today's video I will be doing a protein treatment. I hope you guys like it. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, also biotin, are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. So for this part guys, you can choose your own essential oils. I am choosing tea tree oil and also olive oil. Both have really good benefits. The olive oil, it helps with scalp treatment, it adds shine, it helps with heat protection, and you can also use it for your body and also your nails. All right, so as far as the tea tree oil, as you guys can see, it is very good for dry itchy scalp. It has vitamin E in it, it has aloe vera in it, and it is a fungus fighter. So that is why I really love these two products, and they really work well for me, especially because I keep my hair up for a while. I know you're asking, why would you put honey in your hair? But honey has a lot of great natural benefits as well. Honey is a natural sealant for your hair. It helps to reduce breakage, and it does also allow for moisture to stay in your hair. Okay. Mayo contains egg yolks, vinegar, and oils that work together to nourish and moisturize your hair. Almond milk contains a lot of protein for strengthening hair and reducing breakage. So I will be getting started with mixing all of my ingredients together. It really doesn't matter what you add first or last. It just matters that you get everything mixed together, and you do want to make sure you have enough mixture for your whole head. I actually didn't make enough, but that's not a problem because you can always go back and make more. So this is the consistency of my mixture. Consistencies may vary depending on how much ingredients you put in your mixture. Okay, so there's not a certain amount that you need to put in it or anything like that. So this is what my hair looks like all saturated. What you want to do is put this mixture on your head and get you some kind of bag and let it sit for at least 30 to 40 minutes. The longer you let it sit, the better the results will be. Okay, so after letting it sit for a while, you want to go in with your favorite conditioner. Definitely not shampoo. You do not want to wash out all of those nutrients that you just put into your hair, and you want to go in and just wash it. Okay, well, do like a little pre-wash and get all the honey and everything else out. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. You just want to finish washing your hair out. I wouldn't suggest putting any heat on your hair. You want to let your hair air dry, maybe put it in some braids or some plaits or something like that, and just go on with that. Now let me know how you guys like this video. I know it may seem a little weird, but my mom has been doing protein treatments on my hair ever since I was younger, and I feel like it has helped a lot. with hair growth. Do you guys have any type of protein treatment, specific like products or oils or anything like that that you use in your hair? Do you think you'll be trying out this method? Do you feel like this was weird? Do you think this is something you could add to your hair routine? Just let me know your thoughts down below and we'll discuss. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.